So if you're limited for space and you're looking for a trap that saves you that space, that will stop backflow and stop smells, keep watching. So the problems with a traditional U-trap, P-trap or bottle trap is that they all rely on water. They're a lot deeper than they need to be. The other problem is when that water evaporates, it allows smells to come round and up through your sink. We've put a lot of time and effort into solving this problem, so now we're going to show you how. The Unitrap is the solution. Not only is it space saving, you can fit it to a bath, basin, bidet, shower, and because it doesn't rely on water, you don't get the problems that come with a water trap. You don't get any backflow or smells coming back either because of its unique design. Because it's a waterless trap, what this means is you can save lots of space. Where this becomes important is if you have a freestanding bath where there's very, very limited space under the bath, where you've got a vanity basin. You might have to cut out a drawer to fit a conventional trap. This is not the case with the Unitrap. Because of its unique design, it's also extremely universal for all different situations. So if you're working with 32mm solvent weld pipe or 40mm solvent weld pipe, if you're working with a basin waste, if you're working with a bath waste, it will solve the problem. And with 30 litres of flow per minute, it will cover most shower problems as well. You can also take the elbow off so that you can have it straight pipe to pipe to stop backflow of smells going along a long piece of pipe, whether it's vertical or horizontal. So if you've had problems with any of the stuff that I've mentioned already, just click the link below to find your local stockist. And thanks for watching.